Someone stood in ancient dog shit. Oh man, it smells so bad.
Look, I need a shout, no chase. My girl need a wine in the state. My mom need a house for the late. So I got some money to make. They told me I got what it take. So I gotta take it all back.
Hello and welcome back to the channel, where today we are having another blast at our little Mark 1 Golf project. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit fed up with the exterior of this car. After washing it, deconning it, it has not come out like I originally wished it would or hoped for. So I'm gonna get stuck into the interior and see if we can't get a better result in there.
Make it on time. I pray to God for these signs. He know how hard I done try. Lately I'm looking for real shit. The things that my money can't buy. They don't understand how the shit goes. How they all use it to switch goes.
Better save that. Oh no, it's alright, I've got a spare. I need them for my tears later. That looks important. My to-do list. HT leads. Yeah, I think it's a bit late for that. The engine's out of it. I'm starting to wonder if I couldn't just fit this whole car in this bin at this point. Right, so first things first, I'm just going to attack it with a vacuum cleaner, get up all these loose bits. I think it's been sat with a window down near a tree at some point. There is a little bit of mould present on the seats, especially up on these tops. We're going to steam that. I'm hoping that hasn't stained the fabric, because I would like to try and save this interior. Now, I know what you're thinking. A couple of videos ago I said that about the outside, and now I'm sulking about how bad it is, so don't hold me to it, but I'm going to do my best to save it. Don't need that bit. You're getting my serious hoovering face in. Serious. Smells really weird.
Oh. It's weird, it's not like a damp smell that you'd expect.
I don't go around sniffing damp things that often, but that's what you're into. I'll take it. If you're the expert in the field, I'll take your word for it. Oh, it smells horrible. We've got a fag burn. Oh, disaster. Fuming about that back seat actually, because it's in pretty good condition other than that. It's a shame.
Could have used this for a Halloween shoot.
That spider's now homeless. It's going to have to seek asylum in one of the other cars.
What, a bottle flip?
This bottle's got a big hole in it, but I could do it still. Woo! Oh, look at that. Oh.
That is... This car's definitely got a few stories to tell.
I think I'm going to find them all on the cloth. That's right. It's the autobiography of the Mark 1 Golf.
Wait until you do the seatbelts.
Oh, That is just one door card. You shouldn't really do this, but the outside's at it. I don't care. Bottles on it, my brush is on it. I just. Sorry, detailers and purists, but best case scenario is a wall pad. Worst case scenario is 600 grit. I don't know.
Amount of conkers and that chewed up under this seat.
Body trippy, yeah, we come in, yes, they're back. Yeah, we walking with a body bag full of cash. Cut from a different rary race.
Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. I will pull that seatbelt out. I'm not going to be. It's quite nice, actually. Would you look at that?
Running it back, running it back, running it back, running it back. Hey, 10 toes, I'ma never miss. Bomb locked in, never take a loss in the sport.
So on the side panels, I'm using the same as what I have on the seats. I've got Verso mixed up half and half with water. I put it in these bottles just for the video so you can visually see exactly what we're using. Under normal circumstances, you'd dilute that down in a proper mixing bottle. Anyway, Verso, spraying it onto the area, then I'm scrubbing it in. I'm actually using one of our firm detailing brushes. I want to get into all this grain because there's a little bit of mold in there, and I want to make sure I don't want to just brush over the surface. I want to scrub that out, really get rid of it, and make sure I do the job once and for all. The seat, I've also used Verso. I did start off with Total, but there was a couple of areas just needed a bit more bite. Total's more of your kind of everyday maintenance interior cleaner. When you need a bit more grunt, it's better to go for something like Verso and APC. I'm going to clean up the belts, the belt buckles, the actual belts themselves, this side panel. I've done the seat, then I'll move on to this area, back of the seat, and then I'll go on into the front. Looking at the roof lining, being dead honest with you, usually you'd start there, but this is pretty good, all bar the front sun visors, which are pretty disgusting. I'll do those before I do any seats. Basically work top down, stop anything dripping down on stuff you've already cleaned. But so far, so good. It's going a lot better than the exterior did. Oh, it's manky up there.
Call it what you want. My dog hit my line, I hit him back like what you on. I'm like, ooh.
Love old Volkswagens.
Inside a ghost, I'm like, ooh. And you know what? Like it dedicated, get the music just to go up. Every year the passion for the pressure is to go up. Way more pressure on me now than ever, but I'm so stuck. Started chasing money, gotta.
Oh, it smells so weird.
It's the days that I'm in music, I would throw up on the internet and hope to play with my phone up. Back and did a photo shoot and thought I was a star. Took the ATLA, hit the motor, hand out cars.
I've got a lot of loose bits and pieces with this car. No stereo though.
Oh.
Ah, someone took their Pioneer head unit out back in the day. Disappointed. Oh, it's missing one piece. It's missing that surround.
Daddy, what happened? Isn't your friend celebrating going platinum? Used to do it full time, how'd you move backwards?
I do love old cars for this. You can just hammer them. I've got a couple of old switches which I can just air dry out. Nothing else to worry about. No electrics, look. Gear knob with no lighting up. Well, don't do a lot at the minute because it has no engine, but
throw up, yeah, my miss the days that I made music. I would throw up on the internet and hope the yay would hit my phone up. Ignorance was bliss, but today I guess I know stuff. Yeah, I guess I know stuff.
quick little pack up, tidy some of the equipment up, then I'll poke my nose back around it, see if there's any last bits to wipe round, hoover up, and I think we've completed it. So that is the interior complete on our little Mark 1 Golf project. I've been struggling with this car ever since I picked it up and I needed a bit of a break, and that interior gave me just that. I'm really, really pleased with how this has come out. We've gone from top to bottom, roof lining to carpets, cleaned the seats, cleaned all of the door pockets, all of the door cards, the dash, everywhere we can get to. Now, I didn't remove the seats on this car, and we do that on a lot of our big details. However, the reason being, there's not a lot of point on a Mark 1 Golf because you can get right under them really easily, and there's these little plastic clips that anybody that's took seats out of these will know they're a nightmare to get back in, and I didn't want that hassle. I felt I could do the job I needed to do with them still in there, so it's all about tailoring what you're doing to the car you're working on. Overall, super happy with how that's come out. Not so happy with how the exterior is going so far, but that's a story for the next one. See you there.
Call it what you want. My dog hit my line, I hit him back like what you on. I'm like, ooh, hit the park at one. Took a right turn and now we back inside the coach. I'm like, ooh, and you know